Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring the topic of renewable energy. As you may know, renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, are essential in our efforts to combat climate change. Unlike fossil fuels, which release large amounts of carbon dioxide when burned, renewable sources provide cleaner options with minimal environmental impact. One of the most widely used renewable sources is solar power. Solar energy is generated when sunlight is converted into electricity using photovoltaic cells. These cells are commonly found in solar panels installed on rooftops and in large solar farms. Wind power is another significant source, produced by capturing the movement of air with wind turbines. However, one challenge with these sources is their dependence on weather conditions, which can make energy production inconsistent at times. In conclusion, investing in renewable energy technology is crucial for reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and creating a more sustainable environment for future generations. As we continue our lecture, we'll examine the economic and social impacts of renewable energy development.